You don't worry about my teeth, because I heard that Christopher Tuftant is helping people with teeth, and I think that he will give me the help after all this.
I'm asking you please and thanks if you could give me one of the donkey, because when I'm in Spanish Town I don't really go far, so I need something to bring me around, and gas is very expensive, and I only want to go from Portmore to Spanish Town, so a donkey would do me well. And the people them where I say me do the video and me get pay, me no get no pay, that's why me a beg a donkey. For the labor right video when me do a day, me a beg the Prime Minister one donkey. Mr. Andrew Holness, please and thanks. Babsy Grange response to me. Me live in a Babsy Grange constituency. So please, if you can't afford to give me one donkey, you tell Babsy to give me one donkey, please. Because me a labor right and me a vote. Most more than 30 years now me a vote. And me think me deserve a donkey. I mean, I don't know if a lady will get a donkey ever vote for labor right. But me a labor right.
And the whole donkey situation where she Andre, I gotta tell the lady say she thinks she ask for more than the donkey, and she never rode for her yard, and her donkey malnourished. But if me have a problem with Andre Holness, you know, we take it up and do it. And there's little lady, man. Lady is a simple, humble little lady. I go and do her little things. So you know, allow the lady, she go and do her thing, man.
Raise himself from the dead.
Yes.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. And so
you pick you up like a cockroach crawl out in a vest. Yes, you Andre, me attack. You me attack. When time Andre Holness wife take you up, when you're up on half a street, I'm mad out. I'm mad, I'm mad out. If me walk and chat, me no must one road. You come and call up me. You come and call up me name, and every night you come out from YouTube, I beg student loan. Every night you come out, I beg student loan. You take me coming like
sometimes,
you get a look work.
every time.
So
because it seems as if he's a fan of that gender. I don't know.
And what happened, because him think that, you know, he's carrying the most view on TV, on radio, and people are watching on every other radio station and everything. Now, he just feels full of himself.
Oh,
and he feels like, yes.
I don't know about him. So
right,
I mean, I see him a couple of times and he kind of despicable. I don't like where he stands.
Because even the regular radio station, them, he fight against them. Especially there's a person named Cliff Hughes. He fight against that brother viciously. I don't know when he do him, but he always had to put him down. And he's not going to reach where Mr. Hughes reach. He's not going to reach that. No matter what I try. Because up until now, he can't get no sponsorship if he show him now. Every day, he might appeal to people to come and sponsor the show. At the hot show up on YouTube and this and that and that and this and that.
Yeah, man,
but he's not getting no sponsorship now.
A person attitude.
Yeah, man. Because into vulgar.
Yeah, man.
Into vulgar. Look at man.
You pick you up like a cockroach crawl out in a vest. Yes, you Andre, me attack. You me attack. When time Andre Holness wife take you up, when you're up on half a street, I'm mad out. I'm mad, I'm mad out. If me walk and chat, me no must one road. You come and call up me. You come and call up me name, and every night you come out from YouTube, I beg student loan. Every night you come out and make student loan. You take me coming like you get a look work. Look work. If me a walk and chat, me must say road. So me don't know where you come from. And I can't talk about, you know, see prosperity for prosperity, malnourished. Are you malnourished? Look for yourself. Just look for yourself or you catch up in a one room. And can't come out. You catch up in a day and can't come out. And come out and crawl out for me like a cockroach in a vest. Prosperity, you malnourished. You malnourished more than prosperity.
Did not raise himself from the grave.
And that me want
Oh,
to
praise
tell
the
this
name of
man.
the Lord.
So you know, if you take up my name.
So let
And my
me
name I use the feed job. Because my
go
name is
into
like a
some
hyphen,
scriptures.
much as whatever job for using a no topic of yours.
which will indicate
Don't
to
call
us
my name. Get up,
that
go look
Jesus
up. Anytime somebody give you a proper last
did
food,
not
I bet you
raise
we have learned to
himself
call people name.
from the
Yes, you
grave.
Mr. Andrea, you me attack.
Hallelujah.
Every night,
What a
students,
mystery.
students.
What a
You know better
mystery
10 and $20.
for the man
Lord
of
Jesus,
God.
up to you very mad, man, I beg more than the
Not
money there. I know mad, you mad. I
Raise
cycle
himself
your skull crack.
from the grave.
You get up for me name. Whole night
Praise
you
the
look for me
name
name,
of the
you call
Lord.
me name. You can't find nothing better figure do. You can't find nothing better
Let me
figure
read
do.
first of all
Look
from
how
Acts.
prosperity nice and clean.
Hi,
Praise the name
Prosper.
of the Lord.
Look how prosperity nice and clean. You know nice and clean like prosperity.
Good morning,
You
boy.
know nice and clean like
Acts chapter
prosperity.
13.
You know nice and clean like prosperity. Look for prosperity or prosperity. Nice
And let me
and clean.
begin at verse 29
Man, why you come kill off a donkey with load?
through to 30.
Prosperity now yam orange grass and you go talk about how me kill off donkey and eat
And
donkey.
when they
And me
had
donkey you want
fulfilled
fin
all
yam.
that
And
was
malnourished
written
and
of
kill
him,
you. And me donkey you want fin
they
yam
took him
and dread. You
down
and dread you
from
me
the
attack.
tree
You can't get prosperity
and laid
in yam
him
you come
in
out
the
of them come
sepulchre.
like you don't know good meat. So that's why you want me
Verse
donkey to you
30.
want to find
But
out if you
God
are alive because you want to come
raised
donkey in
him
yam. But I
from
want you
the
to
dead.
come. You cockroach me
Oh,
with
praise
tape
the name of the
pan
Lord.
up in the hill here.
God
Come back with tape pan up
raised
in the hill
him
and give where you look for.
from the dead.
And me realize say, and me
So,
prosperity you want
here
in but
you
you
see.
can't walk.
And the thing
Into
is that,
vulgar. Look here, man. Brother, you must calm down, youth.
I think-
Not because, man,
yeah,
don't
man,
make
I think-
little views and. Okay, man. You have to answer.
I think him act more like
Sissy
a-
type
you see
behavior.
me, I said the kind of thing where I
That's
think
one
he's doing
answer.
things where woman alone shouldn't do.
Well, man,
Acting in ways that woman
man.
alone shouldn't act.
You have to answer,
see
man.
me? So
And
we-
an idea. If the lady asks for a donkey and she get it, what is that to you?
Yeah, man, but the thing is that she, for the longest while, she's the most genuine Jamaican person I see.
Very much
In a
genuine.
long while.
Very much genuine.
She's just simple. And she's not greedy. She asks what she wants.
But
And she gets what she wants.
But she gets other things too. She gets other things
yeah,
too.
man, but she asks what she wants. And she got what she wants.
Yeah.
And she's very thankful.
But she gets
You
several
understand?
other things. So another donkey alone she gets.
That's a fair business and what she
Hey,
want to get.
so even if you talk about her donkey, another alone she get other things too.
But regardless, but donkey is a thing where
And it's very, very important to want to fair big business.
chances are for him, daddy usually use donkey for car, see me go or whatever based on where he come from. But I think man for left man woman thing to woman and stay in the man zone. See me?
Well, you have to wonder.
When I wonder, I say to you, man for left man thing in a man zone and go man things in a man zone and go and left woman things in a woman zone.
It is clear that him don't like the Prime Minister. It's clear that, that Andre don't like him.
Yeah, man, but
He hate him. But in the day, have nothing to do with the Prime Minister.
yeah,
The
man,
Prime Minister, the lady have her need, and she see the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister promised to assist her, and she get the assistance when she look at Shakespeare. You don't need to try to put her down and try to belittle her.
yeah, man. And
Who
then,
is you?
She's saying for somebody who I think fairly most likely, let me see, like she just have to touch the social media, but I'm seeing she not really that kind of a person because she's too busy working for
Exactly.
for the
She
social
should not have no time for that.
and as you and she's saying she don't have no time. And the thing is, if regardless of what name they call the Prime Minister, regardless of what people think of the Prime Minister, she have her belief, and then you have freedom of speech, and you're free to choose whatever side you want to choose.
What is funny now? And the same man we always tell people about the right to have free speech. And him same man now is coming like he's a dictator. Him same man I slap down the government. I said government is a dictatorial government. But yet still him going to tell her what she's supposed to do.
But alright.
So who's the real dictator?
Watch out now. So if you want to do a good thing now, Mr. Andre, one of the Prime Minister, buy her a car now. Buy her a car.
Yeah, man.
Buy her a van. One of the Prime Minister, if you want to show off on the Prime Minister. Strength. You know, one of the Prime Minister buying the lady a van, right? Buy her a couple head of cattle and build her one big pen for her chicken and stuff. You understand?
I know said do you how him behave, even if he care going give her, she would not accept it.
Yeah, see the lady say, watch out. I don't listen to children. I listen to adults.
Exactly.
I rather stay on the adult side of things. Yeah. Cause can I tell you that me look for maybe a couple of the man video and that man just me jump bother with it. See me? There's nothing there, brother. Enough for me place that.
No.
See me, I know my type of thing that the brother. So I just stay funny. So me I said, look man, stay in your lane and allow the woman alone. She a real woman.
Yeah.
See it? A real woman that, real Jamaican woman. Leave she alone, brother.
If you need if you have needed to use your platform, use it then to advocate for better roads in those communities. But don't come and say, boy, she a donkey malnourished and all kind of stuff.
So you don't say, brother, you don't say, Mr. Andrew, sir. It seems as though you provide the young lady with a donkey. Can you provide some roads for her that she can travel safely without pressure?
The donkey feet.
No, the donkey have one name, the man. The donkey have one name. You know, just look why I call the donkey name. Yeah, man, that's the donkey now go strain himself, you know.
Right.
He now go slip and broke on his foot and then.
Exactly.
You know, yeah, man. So, Mr. Sir, set up something like that, man, and stop the criticism. Stop criticize people. Try to make it right. Be an example and stop be the root cause of the problem.
But in an idea, you know, in an idea, I mean, him can't help everybody.
Yeah.
And either that the Prime Minister can't help everybody. But who can help are getting help. And, you know, I mean, it's just, look, just leave it alone. Leave it alone, leave her alone. Leave her alone. She have time for the foolishness, brother. Wait a minute. Leave her alone.
Yeah, man, because I say, she lady is so genuine in what she's doing.
Very much.
See me, she just so genuine in what she's doing. Me I tell you, say, when me see her for the first time, I say, yo, this is how Jamaica was once. This is how Jamaican people was once, you know.
Grateful and
no, this is how Jamaican people was once. Not like where they are now. And if everybody was like this young lady, crime would have a little man.
We're in a better place.
We're in a better place, man.
So we're so grateful and thankful. So someone just cannot be satisfied. You think say, you know, she get one donkey, and you think say she forget this and that. Well, you know, she whatever she asks for, she get it, and you know, she's grateful. And the problem with us as people is that we're too greedy. We cannot be satisfied.
Yeah, man.
Somebody give something, be thankful for it. Don't complain and say, boy, this and that.
Yeah,
we must change the ways.
Yeah, man, and that we leave that alone. Mr. Andre, sir, leave the lady alone.
Leave the lady alone.
Understand that.
I have heard that I was invited on a class, partner jar, but I won't be attending the class because my children need me to provide their dinner for another day. And also my chicken want to live for another day. And also my farm want a growth for another day. So I won't be able to waste my time to go in any partner jar class to indulge with anyone, because I have heard over the period of years that he who destroy others on their way to success, destruction shall meet them at the gate. So I do not want no destruction. And all my lifetime I have been working very hard to pay my partner jar, so I won't look for anyone to destroy to pay partner. Okay? So this is where my fans, I want to tell you that I won't indulge in anything of a sort with this young gentleman that is seeking for me to create chaos in my life. I just want a simple and happy and free TikTok page. So all my followers and my friends, I am asking you, please do not invite his page and bring it over my TikTok page. I just want to keep it simple and clean. And so listen, I don't have the time nor space to attend your partner jar. I rather to use that time to go plant pumpkin, sorrel, corn, gungo, potato, and callaloo and attend to my livestock. In the night, at that time, prepare myself to bed and then prepare myself the next day for work, as long as the good Lord bless me with a shower of rain. So I won't be attending your class, and I won't waste my time with you anymore, because I just see you as a very loose cannon out there that's seeking for a soul to devour. So I won't give you the time nor the space. Okay? I don't deal with children. I rather to deal with the growing up persons, because of growing up have good things and good morals to teach us as good lesson. So I won't be wasting any time, and I won't be attending your class. And listen to me, peoples. I don't want to know anything of a sort that he put on his platform. No, no, no. I won't attend. Okay? This is not an invite for me.